Hello lovely friends and family, welcome back to today's video. I hope you're all doing well. So what you are seeing here is some spices, okay? It's some spice cubes that I've made. They are frozen, right? And before I made them, I needed a few ingredients, so I had to order them, right? And I wanted to unbox the order that came, okay, just to show you where I buy some of these ingredients. Okay, you can get them organic or the normal one, and they are really good. And I will just share the website with you. There's nothing going on between us, me and this online store. Is just where I find things useful and I buy from them. Okay, so nothing going on between us. No, nothing, no advertising or nothing, just showing you some of the things you can get from them and where to buy them if you live in the UK, because it is an UK online shop. Okay, it's only based in UK. I don't know where they ship to. You can make that enquiries yourself. So that is the box. Would be nicer if I had made it bigger for you to see the whole box, but yay, I don't think it matters really. So here's the box, and I'm going to open to show some of the spices I buy from them. You can get all these spices from the supermarket, okay? But I want to buy them in bulk, especially if I'm going to make bulk spice cubes. I make all kinds of spice cubes, okay? I'll be sharing them with you very soon. I've started making them. I've made like 3 already, and it's quite a tedious job, so I do it in bits, okay? As and when I need them, then I'll make it. So I'll be showing all of them to you. So yeah, it comes in a box and with this brown paper covered it to protect the spices or the ingredients or the whatever that I've bought. And this is a list of the things that I have bought. Okay, I'll be showing you one after the other the things that I have bought, but here is a list. Okay, so yeah, I bought like basil, so I use basil for my spice cubes as well. Then here are whole cloves. Oh my days, I can't even pronounce it. Whole cloves, oregano, Americans. They won't kill us. Yeah, and then we have the anise seeds. So anise seeds are something that I really find difficult to buy from the shops. They are not in the supermarket, and when I go to the African market, I hardly find it. So I always buy them from the shop. Okay. Then some parsley, some sage. I love sage. Sage has this beautiful flavor, so I love it, and I add it in my spice cubes and when I'm making soup and other things, right? Okay, and tarragon leaves as well. I add them to my spice cubes. So I have different kinds of spice cubes. So I have cardamom here. You see some ground cardamom as well, and the green whole cardamom pot, the cardamom pots, if I can call it that way. And I have ground cinnamon. Right, you can get all these from, but when I'm buying it, it's cheaper because it comes like, big. It's much more like and cheaper. So I buy them from online. This is why I buy things like wheat. They call it cracked wheat. So if you're Ghanaian and you like wheat, that's where you can get some to buy. And I buy my blanched peanuts so that I can make my peanut butter for my peanut soups. Okay, so I buy the ones that the skins have already been taken off. It's already been blanched, and all I need to do is to roast it, and I blend it or whatever. Then it is ready to go. I don't have to waste my time to peel all the leaves after I have roasted it. Oh God! So I just put it's too much work, so I go for the blanched ones. It's much easier. So I'll show you how I roast it, and I'll show you how I make my peanut butter too. So yeah, this is just something little I just wanted to show you. So if you're interested, I'll put the link down there for you to know. So if you're in the UK and you want to find something, there are lots of things. These are the things I needed, so I bought them. But when you go online, there so many things that you can find to buy at a cheaper price, and when you buy to a certain limit, it's free delivery. So I think up to £30 or so. So yeah, I thought to share this with you. So I hope you find this useful, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Okay, so you can go try this online shop. I wish you nothing going on between us, just sharing useful links with my lovely family and friends. So thank you all for stopping by today, and I'll catch you soon in the next one. Bye.